Hi, it's Andy Phillips here, and in these set of videos what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to configure the WordPress landing page on a fresh installation of WordPress. And this has really come about because we've had a 27-minute video on the older version of WordPress, and that's still available. You can still access that because it's still valid, and it goes through the whole process of putting the website up, or the landing page up, on an installation of WordPress, the older installation. And what we're going to do with these videos is just go through installing it onto version 3, which is what people are using nowadays. So first thing we're going to do is we're just going to go into the back end of this. So if we just put forward WP admin, and that will bring us into the back end of this. We're going to put admin, and I'm going to put the password in, and so I'll just log into that. Okay, now we're in the back end, and as you can see that we can go up to version 3.0, which we're not going to do right now. We're going to do that later on once it's actually been configured. You can go into it now, you can go into it later, it doesn't really matter. It works. This theme works with all of them. And just wanted to say that this theme's been out for quite a while now, probably 3, 4, 5 months, and we've got thousands and thousands of people who are using it worldwide. We're out in 51 different countries, believe it or not, with this theme. So it's used extensively and used really well as well. So let's go into this straight away. Now we want to go to settings initially, and what the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the wwws on the front, because as you can see, it doesn't have them at the moment. So we're just going to go into general, and the way you put your wwws at the front of your site when you've first uploaded WordPress is simply go into the general settings, and there's one that says site address and WordPress address URL. And what we're going to do is just going to put www in both of those, and dot, obviously, and I'm going to put that in there as well. We're going to go save changes. Now we're going to have to log in again, because it is actually a different site if you think about it. So let's just go to admin and let's log in again. Okay, and now we've got www and then the site name.com, which is fantastic. So next thing you want to do on configuration is go to permalinks. Now permalinks, if I can just quickly show you, if I actually create a quick page, which would be something which we need to do anyway, I'm just going to add a page. So you go to pages, go to add page, and we're going to call this, so I'll just do I'm going to say this is our home page, so we know that where we are with it. I'm going to take these up as well. This is the little things which just keep the comments in, and we don't really want comments on our landing page. Not on this one. On other ones we may do, and in fact on other pages within this landing page, because although landing pages are seen as one page, they're normally more than one page. So we're just going to take these off so we don't have comments within them, and I'm just going to publish this quickly so we can see what it looks like. We go to view page. Now the page looks fine. We've still got the old theme. We haven't actually put the theme on yet, but the page looks fine. What is wrong with this, and this is a search engine optimization problem, is this. That is not good for SEO, and it's actually not good for clients either. So let's go back into the administration section of WordPress, and we're going to go down to permalinks. And what we're going to type into here, we're going to do it as a custom structure. We're not going to use what they use as any sort of default structure. We're going to just put something which you should do this every single time, and let's put a different custom structure in, and what we're going to type in here is percentage postname percentage. Now it's come up automatically for me. It probably won't do for you if this is your first time at installing something. It's just that my computer remembers these things, and so it's already come up because we use it all the time. So percentage, post name, percentage, really important to do that. And if we just save the changes, go back to the front page site, still got this on, but if we go to AIM Training, which is a page on here, it actually says AIM Training UK 2. Now this is the only reason it's got 2 on there is because I've done this before. So again, we can go back into this back end and go to pages, and I'll show you how to change that, because where that actually is in this permalink setting. So we can actually take that out and just hit OK. So we can control what the actual permalink is, or what the extension to the URL is, the secondary extension, and you can change that specifically for search engine optimization purposes, which is very interesting. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install our theme. So if we just quickly go to Appearances, and we go to Themes, and go to Install Themes, and we upload. And now I know where mine is, so we go to Choose File, and it's on my desktop, and it's right at the end here. There it is. And all I'm going to do is install now. So all I'm doing is installing the zip file that you would have downloaded from my site. When you download that file, put it somewhere where you'll remember. Probably the desktop is a good place to put it initially when you're doing this. But when you've actually got this page up, if you can just put this into a separate file called, your landing page, or whatever your landing page is, whatever your niche is, because people use this for all different types of things. We've seen it for shoes, bikes, property, you name it. So when we get to this point, we just click on Activate. Now, all you're doing now is you're activating a theme, and it will show up in here, which is exactly what we want. So now we've got that, we just visit site. Let's have a look and see what the site looks like. And there it is. It's a beautiful thing. We've actually put the theme on there, and what we're going to do now is we're going to manipulate that theme. We're going to put video in there, we're going to put text in there, we're going to put Aweber in there, and I'm even going to show you how we put a PayPal button in there. So it can be a sales page as well as a landing page. So we're going to do that on the next one, on the next video. So I'll see you on that one.